everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Audrey and I'm the person behind Audrey's Crocheting. In today's video, I'm just doing a little crochet vlog, but mainly focusing on the project I'm currently doing, which is phone covers. I'm following the pattern of Zuzu Crochet. I will leave a link down in the description. The only difference is I'm using a 3.5mm hook and I'm adding an extra single crochet row at the top. I'm doing many different colors and many different types of phone covers that I got inspired in Pinterest. So I'll be showing all of it by the end of the video. Until then, enjoy! Just quick update. I've completed around 8-10 pieces of these phone covers. I still have like a few 10 pieces to go. These are almost done. These are for the frogs. I'm gonna put a reference photo. These are for the frogs, the bears. This is going to be like the monsters from Monster Inc. I'm gonna try to replicate what's in the photos, what's in the pictures here. This is the alpaca. I'm making one in blue and one in pink. And here, this is I think this one's the cat or the dog, I'm not sure. I'm making 2 of each color. And then I still have a few. I'm sorry if you hear music. My husband's playing music right now. I want to make a Totoro, a cat. I'm gonna show the reference pictures so you can see what the idea is. Striped cat, black mix gray. I'm gonna show again. I'm showing you the picture. Obviously, I'm gonna make some changes and see how I can try to replicate what I see in the pictures. But that is what I'm gonna do. That's my idea for it. And stitch. I want to make stitch, just a simple kind of stitch. Again, another reference picture. And yeah, and this is how my table's looking right now.
ada di Sabah oh. Sabahan, tidak lama lagi kita akan ada bengkel pelancongan berasaskan kereta api. Let's check it out. Ini dia steam train.
Time to add the decorations. I've divided them. These ones will be having the round ears. This one will be having like cat ears. This is stitch ears, and this one are like just horns or stuff, or maybe no ears or something. They're just different. So yeah, I'm gonna make the round ears and the cat ears first, then I'll work on these different ones. Okay, I've organized, I think, separate most of these according to the parts that they need. Like this one needs like the eyes and the stuff, mouth, more eyes, more mouth, eyes and mouth. Like some parts are gonna need just sewing. Now I'm gonna tackle this one. I haven't even started on this one yet. I'm not sure. I don't really think the stitches are cute. I don't know. I'll just have to try and sew them on and see how it looks. Everyone's sleeping, so I can't really talk loud, but I will show you guys like slideshows, pictures of this that I took, because I'm too lazy to bring them up right now and show them one by one again. pass to my aunt all the phone covers. So I'm taking a little break. I even wind up all of my yarn, so it's like really nice and neat now. I'm going to need to make more phone covers after this because she ordered more, but I don't want to film any more of that because you guys already know the process. And I think I'm just gonna end the video right here. I'm currently like packing up my oh, this is upside down, my business cards and free stickers for like free gifts for later. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. I am going to be making a few tutorials soon, so stay tuned for that. Oh, okay, bye.